Hello guys, my name is Levan. I'm from Tbilisi, free walking tourist guide. Probably everybody knows about this virus situation, so we decided to make online live videos for you. I hope so you will enjoy, and of course we're gonna share some amazing stories, amazing places, because now it's possible. So probably you see behind of me this house, and who been already on our tour, you can recognize this house. If not, I will tell you some short story about that. So this house is really one of the oldest house in Old Town. This is about the 284 years old house. So this is where the 16 families is living together, but it was considering to be for one family only. But unfortunately, everybody knows started communal spaces during the Soviet Union time, so they start to dividing these apartments. But what is important, Tbilisian people never divided the balconies. Balconies always will stay a whole balconies, corridor system for all the families, because they decided communication is a much important than separate and private spaces. So here is a different privacies. In the Old Town we have a different privacies, and in the New Town, in the New Tbilisi, you can find different. So here everybody share everything, they celebrate a New Year, Christmas, birthdays together, 16 family. Imagine one big family. So because of that, they believe communication makes a strong trust, and strong trust exactly what is necessary here. As well, what I like here is laundry, which is usually makes this apartment, this house is a really beautiful. I think so, and we love the here blue color, because if you're walking in Old Town, you will see many old houses which is in a blue color. So what I want to say, here's the neighbors knows each other, they know each other's underwears either, because again the laundry always outside, so they can see what's going on and who use different type of underwears. So I want to tell you a story which is happened with me, because we do every day the walking tours here, and one day I got here and happened magic. I don't expect that, and nobody was expect for that. So wait for that.